This is Ndivhuwo Shop I channel. We just witnessed the MTN 8 final between Orlando Pirates and Stellenbosch. Orlando Pirates 3, Stellenbosch 1. My brother, how's it?
Good, thanks. How are you?
Good, man. Can you say hi to our viewers?
Greeting to our viewers, South African football supporters.
Each other. And then from the first whistle to the last whistle, how did you see the game?
Yes, the game, it was very emotional. It was a very good game. Second half.
Yeah.
First half, we saw Stellenbosch.
Pressing,
good pressing, dominating the game, good play first 20 minutes. We saw Orlando Pirates, they were not on the game. They did manage to hold the game, Stellenbosch. Good approach and congratulations. Credit to Stellenbosch, the way they dominated first half.
Yeah, first goal, Mojela, spectacular one. Within 10 minutes, we thought, they're going to come back and score the second goal, but then they couldn't.
Yeah, it was very interesting. I thought maybe Stellenbosch first half they'll go 2-0, but 2-0 up. So I think the very small mistake they consider for free kicks, they costed them a lot. But credit to Mojela, good finishing, good goal, great goal. That's gonna be a very goal of the season.
Yeah, contender for goal of the season. Because remember we saw the Pasadena one. Also we saw the one for Shabalala also. Yeah. But then going to the second, the first goal of Orlando Pirates, free kick Hoto, and I was disappointed by what is named the defender for Mulisani.
Mulisani.
Can you tell us about that also?
I thought Mulisani they're gonna substitute Mulisani. Orlando Pirates they were using that side of Mulisani, try to open up a space, try to get inside in that space, so then they can get goals to score there. So I saw Mulisani was little bit struggling that side. So Mulisani was supposed to defend that goal. Because of the silent finishing, Hoto throw in that free kick, then Salem finished that goal. So that position, Mulisani, I thought maybe he was not aware about Salem behind him at the back. So he was lacking a confidence on that game.
And also the big mistake by the goalkeeper, he just perished that ball instead of holding it.
Holding it. Like I said, Mulisani was supposed to rectify to cover the goalkeeper, but he was not on the position.
He was also facing his goals.
He was not on the right position as well. He didn't look out the opponents.
Around. I saw 10 seconds before the first half whistle. Jose Rivero, he was so angry, he stormed out of the field. He went to the dressing room before the last whistle.
I saw that as well.
Do you think maybe he went there to tantalize them?
Yeah, definitely so, because of when they come back stronger.
Exactly,
so he was already having the word to tell to the players, because of the formation that that we approach the game. They were not considering losing the position, playing with Sosalen running, changing position with Maswanganye. They were not playing according to the position. That's why we saw Hoto was switching. Because
the way Hoto was switching, you could see that by introducing Maela, it played a very bad role to him as Hoto, because he's used to playing in the left back, but then we saw him in the right in the right wing also. He couldn't even use his right foot. Three players for Pirates who were using their left foot, Saleng, also Maswanganye, and also Hoto. And then it was a little bit difficult, but in the second half, he made a lot of changes.
Exactly what we are saying. That's why we saw someone like Munyane trying to push up, trying to help them, trying to press them. So then when the Saleng changed the position with the Hoto, that's why we saw someone like Munyane pressing, trying to press. And the excellent good job you have done by Sasane. Sasane was trying to combine with Munyane. So then because of we saw someone like who's this? They substitute him when they bring who came on with the second substitute?
Which one? The one I get like we
Talent Mbata. Yeah, Talent Mbata. Yeah, Talent Mbata was little bit struggling as well. He was frustrated. The John was trying to press him very hard. We saw someone like a Mujela as well, was frustrating a Talent Mbata. So good substitute with the coach in the second half.
Yeah. So we also saw Makopa starting today. Do you think he's ready to start?
He was not ready to start. He was. I saw him first 20 minutes that day.
He was struggling.
He was struggling. So coach was supposed to make quick changes, but definitely he didn't want to make that because he wanted to sit them with them at halftime. So then he can talk to them and show them where to rectify. I think the coach they went and listened over the coach.
Yeah. Good thing that he went there, he tongue-lashed them, then they came out guns blazing, and also the injuries of Mbata. There's also an injury for Makaula. It made it easy for the boys to gel because he introduced Mabasa, introduced Mufukeng, also Dlamini. They played very well.
Yeah, I expected him to bring in Dlamini. I expected him to bring Mufukeng. I also expected also to bring in Mabasa. It was very good combination. It was very good change for him. It did work very well for him to change and dominate the game because we saw also Mufukeng when they come in with Mabasa. They also had to communicate. They were communicating. So I saw them. They used their chances. They changed the game. The Pirates were starting to press. Pirates were starting to lead the position, ball position in the game,
and they managed to score.
And they also managed to score the goal because first time they were struggling to create and open up the opponents, so then they can get the space to finish up the goal and create some chances. Good substitute from Jose Rivero.
Do you think substituting Mojela was a good decision by Steve Barker?
No, Mujela was supposed to remain in the game for 90 minutes or extra plus 4 minutes that were added. Mujela was supposed to carry on. Immediately when you substitute Mujela, so then Mujela he got quick run and he know how to open up the space. He know how to dominate the game.
And there was no one who was assisting De Jong. They even took him out.
We saw Titus, he was struggling after they took Mujela.
Exactly.
He was struggling. So then Badasin. Badasin, he was not having the good combination with the Titus immediately when Mujele was there. So those guys, they were dominating. Immediately when they substitute him, Stellenbosch started to struggle because of the game was now little bit slower. So then Orlando Pirates got the opportunity to lead the ball position.
Exactly. In our past episode, Road to MTN 8 final, we spoke about the referees. And then tonight it was Tom, Abongile Tom. Do you think the second goal, especially the second goal, I'm worried about the second goal. Do you think that was supposed to be a goal?
I'm very disappointed. Going to that one, I'm very disappointed. It's very emotional, painful. We love football, support football. So then at the game like this, a very important game, a very important, like Stellenbosch. I said at our last conference that Stellenbosch is hunger for this cup. They come to this game ready to play, dominate the game, holding the game for 90 minutes. Unfortunately, after 90 minutes, a referee...
Because what I see, or what I saw there, Masongani was fouled, and then the referee blew the whistle, and when they were about, to check what's happening with Masongani, Mabasa, he restarted the ball in a different sport, and Tom, allowed them to do that. They scored.
You can't, like I said, I'm very disappointed about the Tom decision. Abongile Tom, because of he's having a conversation with the players, but Mabasa is playing the ball.
Exactly.
When immediately when he lose the focus here, you look at Mabasa is scoring the ball. So I was Mfuke scoring the ball. So it's very disappointing to handle a game like this. So then you play the whistle. Then I think the ball. Also Mabasa, when he played that ball, it was not on the right position to play the ball. But the referee still having the conversation, and the player still laying around at the ground. It's not even standard. Maswanganya was down there. You don't know, maybe he need help. maybe
something,
a stretcher,
exactly. Yes.
something. You need to take care of the player. You need to look, is the player ready to stand and play, or you need to call them for. So
yeah, that was poor referee. I'm very disappointed at Tom Abongile. Tom, I don't know what's going to happen, you know, to him now. I don't think he's going to be called in the FIFA games and also the CAF games. I was just so disappointed because, I mean, it doesn't need a professional referee to take such a decision.
Yeah, like I said, you know, you cannot play the ball while the player is still down.
Still down, exactly.
The player that got injured is still down, then you allow the game to process.
And also, sorry to cut you short, also, even if you can allow, maybe sometimes, let's say maybe you made a mistake, you are allowing the play to flow, why are they playing the ball in the wrong spot? Exactly.
Yeah, exactly. Also, Saleng, I saw when they scored second goal. I was very
that
like,
goal,
you know, this
Saleng faked the injury there.
Yeah. Almost for 1 minute, some few seconds
exactly,
there. He's staying there. Then the referee is looking at Saleng. So after the Mofu can finish up that goal, Saleng stand up.
And when then
straight
celebrate.
Red card.
That was supposed to be a red card, yeah.
Straight red card. The player is laying him down there. The ball is playing. Then after finishing, he just stand up. So like I was like,
he was pretending as he was injured.
Already the game was finished at Saleng. He was no longer at the game.
But well, let's congratulate Orlando Pirates.
Yeah.
That win in a row. How do you feel about that?
Yeah, congratulations, Jules. A very incredible work that you have done to Orlando Pirates, winning MTN 8 Cup for the third time
in a row.
First team to win it. Compliment, great work, only not the coach, but also supporter players. They gave it all the best from 2022, 2023, still 2024. It's such a good tactics of winning the cup final. Also, congratulations to Orlando Pirates supporters for going all out to fill up the stadium. It was a very because I saw also when they were leading 1 against Orlando Pirates, but they still give the play,
singing,
singing and giving the players the motivation to keep on playing, focusing. So it's a very incredible work that they have done to the team.
Exactly. I had this Orlando Pirates supporters singing Vulega Mbobo just before
they score the
first goal, and Mbobo Vulegat and Saleng scored. Well done to Amapagania. I'd like to Stellenbosch, you know, you tried your best, but then, you know, it wasn't your day. Hopefully, they're going to do something about this refereeing. It's very poor. Minister of Sports was there. He's vocal about the VAR. I just hope that, you know, that meeting with SAFA and PSL is going to materialize, and they make sure that, you know, they bring VAR because of VAR. We really need that. Yeah, I mean, Stellenbosch lost 10 million today. They were supposed to get it at least, but maybe next time something is going to happen. So thank you very much for joining us, and thank you so much, Londani, for being available. And please keep on supporting the channel. Make sure that you subscribe, like, hit those notification buttons, share our videos with your friends, and make sure that you continue supporting the channel. Thank you very much.